What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Andrew, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the RØDE Wireless Go. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a new microphone for your camera, or you've heard of the RØDE Wireless Go and you just want to see what it's all about. So what we're going to do today, we're going to crack this bad boy open, we're going to see what's inside, and we're going to test it out. Let's go. So for sole demonstration for this video, I'm just going to be using my camera's regular microphone. We're going to go ahead and open up this RØDE Wireless Go, and as you can see here, we've got the box, and we're just going to pop this bad boy open. As we can see, we've got a nice little felt casing for our microphones, and inside you can see we have our receiver. This part right here will click in to your hot shoe at the top of your camera. Power button right at the top. We've got the USB-C charging on the side, and we've got our little analog plug-in for our camera. You can adjust the decibels on the bottom. That is the receiver. So then we have the transmitter, as you can see here by RØDE's beautiful design. It's short, compact, light, small, and it's very discreet. At the top we've got our microphone plug-in. If you wanted to plug in your own external, maybe a lavalier microphone, you can definitely do so. But I mean, if you're spending $200 on this mic, you know, don't put a $20 lavalier from Amazon on it, because you're just gonna, like, what's the point really? USB-C charging on the side, and then we have, you know, the clip. And just for size comparison, I just want to show you guys, I have a regular USB port brick here, whatever you guys want to call it, and this is basically the size difference from the brick to the RØDE microphone transmitter and receiver. I mean, they're pretty fair in size. It's like nice and compact, not as thick and fat, like, so it's in the way. Next up, we have what's else in the box. We've got our two USB-C chargers. Everything runs on USB-C nowadays. So you can charge your GoPro, you can charge your gimbal, you can charge your camera, all with extra cables. We love it. And we have our lovely red analog cables so that we plug it in from our receiver to our camera. And of course, you know, when the wind gets the best of us, we have our dead cat fuzzies. We love the fuzzies. We don't want the wind getting in our way. As you can see here at the bottom, I don't know if, look at that distinction. It just kind of clips onto the microphone with those red clips. Boom, perfect. So I mean, look, this is everything that comes in the box. All right, so we see what's in the box. Now really it comes down to, let's put it to the test. I know you guys have suffered long enough listening to my, probably hearing the AC running in the back. And so now we're just gonna try the microphone on and see the distance, how far it works in just a normal room setting, and kind of like the ranges of from mouth to hand, so we can actually see how we can use this microphone in a practical way. So what we're gonna do is just grab our analog cable, plug it into our receiver right there. We're gonna, as you can see, the clip at the bottom, it's a clip, but it also fits in the hot shoe. So I'm gonna put it on top of the camera, and as you can see, it just kind of just slides right in there. Shout out to the setup that I got going on here. And then what we're just gonna do, I got a Canon 80D, we're just gonna plug it on the side right there. Boom, wait till it snaps right there, and we're all set. So then what we're just gonna do is we're gonna hit the power buttons on the, it looks like an Omega sign. We're just gonna go ahead and hold that down. You'll see that the RØDE microphone will now turn on, and we'll do the same thing to our receiver. Hold it down, and the power's gonna turn on. So now you're listening to me with a RØDE mic Wireless Go plugged in. As you can see here, I've got it in a very obvious spot. I mean, if I wanted to put it here, see what it sounds like here. Check, check, 1, 2. Hello, this is your boy Andrew. Or we can always just flip it over and make it a little bit less inconspicuous. As you can see here, I'm gonna hold it up to my mouth. I'm holding it out. You're probably gonna get more ambient noise because the noise gate built into the microphone is trying to, like, you know, differentiate what sound is actually gonna come in. But the closer I get to my mouth, the better I sound. So for me, I just like to clip the inside on the out, have as least as possible. Now I've just got like a little bow tie looking thing, and that's it. There you guys have it. This has been the RØDE Wireless Go. Hopefully, if you guys were in the market for a new microphone for your camera, your DSLR, your vlogging, any interviews that you want to do, or anything any audio recording that you're looking to do on your camera, hopefully this might be the solution for you. That's all I got for today. Stay tuned for the next unboxing. Who knows what we might do? I don't know. We're gonna find out. We'll see what we got. See you next time. Bye.